Total Physical Response by Cindy Chavez. What is total physical response, also known as TPR? It is a type of specifically designed academic instruction in English. It is the use of body movement in teaching and learning of new vocabulary and concepts. How it helps. TPR is effective because students are able to ease their way into verbalizing the English language. It involves students observing and hearing before actually speaking. Students may initially not feel comfortable speaking another language. This allows students to learn one-word phrases such as water as a way of asking for water rather than learning the entire sentence right away. Have you ever traveled to another country in which you do not speak the native language? If we want to communicate to find our way, what do? You point, we use pictures or hand signals to communicate. Research says, dual coding theory suggests that when students are presented with words, the left side of the brain is being used. When the students' 5 senses are being triggered, the right side of the brain is being used. By storing information, when activating both sides of the brain, students can recall information much more effectively. Simon Says. Simon Says is an example of TPR. To play, all students in the classroom must stand up with the teacher in front of the class. The teacher gives commands to the students such as touch your shoulders, but the command can only be carried out if the teacher says Simon Says before the command. For example, the teacher would say, Simon says touch your nose. The student will then touch their nose. Simon says touch your knees. The student will then touch their knees. Simon says, jump. The student will then jump. Jump 3 times. Because teacher did not say Simon says, the students are expected to not jump 3 times. If students did not get this correct, then they would have to sit down. Some examples to use during your lesson. These are small but helpful adjustments to use during your instruction. Point to objects or words as you refer to them. When possible, use sound effects such as cow says moo. Use coming together motion to signify addition. Use taking apart motion to signify subtraction.